Have you ever wondered, can AI ever become conscious? Like, could a machine actually think, feel, or be aware like you and me? We use AI every day in Google, Siri, ChatGPT, even Netflix. But does any of it know it exists? Before we answer that, let's ask a bigger question. What is consciousness? Consciousness is being aware, knowing you exist, having thoughts, emotions, and experiences. It's the voice in your head saying, "I'm me." But AI doesn't have that. It processes data, it gives answers, but it doesn't feel anything. Imagine a robot saying, "I'm happy." It's not feeling happiness, it's just repeating patterns. So, what would it take for AI to actually be conscious? Some scientists think we'd need to recreate the human brain, all 86 billion neurons. Others believe consciousness might be more than just brain parts. Maybe it's something we don't fully understand yet. Could AI one day cross that line? We don't know yet, but one thing's clear. The question alone is mind-blowing. For now, AI can seem smart, but it's still just code, not consciousness. But who knows what the future holds? Conscious AI might not be science fiction forever. Don't forget to subscribe for more simple science videos. See you next time.